Today is June the 15th, 2021. We're at Hildebrand Machinery Company. We're going to do a short video on the SL30-T HAAS lathe, stock number 21073. Wayne gave us a little program here, and we'll walk in here and you can see what she does. You can watch the spindle and the screen so you can see some of what it's doing. Tool change is bi-directional, and here comes the tailstock. And that's the HAAS SL30. If you have any questions, please give us a call. This machine has about 312 spindle hours on it, so it's ultra low in use, and it's in very, very nice condition.